turn the camera on.
What up, you guys? So here goes the fun of.
Now we can see his black ass.
Here goes the fun of towing a tow truck with a tow truck. Had a car in tow, blew out a tire. So I'm in a truck, towing a truck.
Towing a tow truck with a tow truck. Back to
Tow
the
truck
tow
with a
yard.
tow truck. Back to the tow yard. You heard it. Hey, I'm in tow with a tow. And that tow happens to tow.
Oh shit, this bitch getting sideways. No crooked ass.
So yes, this is what's going on here. In a tow truck, towing a tow truck with a tow truck. How do you tow a tow truck? That's tire pulley. So anyway, I'll catch you guys later. Stay tuned.